On a Monday and a Sunday and a Monday, we have a coffee morning. Monday is a raffle as well. And all my friends, gentlemen and the ladies as well, they all come and join us. We have a very good time and we really enjoy it. On a Tuesday evening, we have karaoke, which is fantastic. And then we play bingo here as well on a Monday afternoon and on a Thursday afternoon and a Friday evening. That's from 7 till 10 o'clock. Ladies and gentlemen, all our friends that we've made, they're all a fantastic group and we all enjoy each other's company.